We're all set to put a coat of varnish over the model, especially where I put that new plug and stained it. This varnish is all skimmed over, but if you strain it, it'll be all right.
So you reuse your paper pots as long as you let the oil-based paint dry completely. You can reuse it.
Yeah, I try to brush it out. If I don't do a good job, I just throw it away. Friday, I'm going down to Eldred's auction house on 6A in Dennis. I'm just curious, they have a couple of old models I made in the 70s going on auction.
What is it? One Catboat and one Varnish Senior?
A Varnish Senior, just a bare hull, no keel, rudder, nothing, not even a plaque. You know. And then a little Varnish Junior. I think that's on a plaque.
Oh, Varnish Junior.
So a senior and a junior.
Oh, okay. That happens every once in a while. Some of the old ones go up for auction here on the Cape.
You know, the bung shows, but I'm not touching it again.
I think it looks good. Color is good. So how many more coats do you think you're going to put on a varnish before we make another video of the wet sanding? Before you even think about the primer?
Probably at least 2.
Okay, so we're not going to do a video of the next 2 coats of varnish, but they will be put on there. And then our next video will be wet sanding before it gets taped and primed.
Just remember, you gotta be very careful that you hopefully don't get a run when you're staining, 'cause when you try to sand the run out, and fresh varnish does not sand out easy.
The best way to see if you have a run is to look at it from down low, like this.
Get a light and
Right, beautiful.
I'm just gonna do this little bow strip for my grandson. Teak takes a lot more coats of varnish to fill it in than mahogany. Okay.
Beautiful. Okay, thanks.